Hello guys, welcome to Central. In today's video, I'll guide you to create a subscription tracker. As always, we'll begin with a new page. I'll set this to full width, add a heading, and also an icon. To this page, we'll add another page and we'll add this as a database. Also add an icon to this page. Here, I'll be adding an inline database. I'll name this subscriptions. By default, the name property is already there. So I'll add another property, the select property, and name this billing. Add a couple of options. Next, we'll add a number property. I'll name this cost and set the format to USD. The next property would be a date property. This will show the last renewal date. Another property will be a formula property that will name as the next renewal date. I'll add the formula here. So this formula will help us generate the next renewal date based on the last renewal date. The next formula property would be named as yearly cost. I'll add a formula. The next property would be a formula property. We'll name this as yearly cost. We'll add the formula here. This formula will help us generate the total yearly cost of the subscription in Kinsia. I'll set this number format to USD. Next property would be a formula property again. We'll name this due. This formula would help us generate whether the result would be overdue, that is, the subscription is overdue or it's already been paid. And the last property would be a button property. We'll name this pay. Edit the automation. So here we'll edit the pages in this page. And the property would be last renewal. We'll go with a custom formula, that is this page dot next renewal, and save this. So now that we're done with the properties, we'll fill in some data. So as you can see, the next renewal dates, the yearly costs, and whether the subscriptions are overdue or paid, these results have been auto-generated due to the formulas that we use. Now that we're done with the database, we'll go back to the main page. Here I'll be adding a type to heading, name it subscription. To this, I'll add a button, add subscription, add an icon to this, add page to subscriptions, add another action, open page added in centerpiece and done. I'll go back to the database, copy this link, and then paste this link here on the main page. I'll hide the title, rename it all subscriptions, and in the property visibility, just hide the last renewal. I'll duplicate this, rename it to monthly, go to filter, go with the billing property, and select the monthly option. Likewise, I'll duplicate this again, name it quarterly, and just change the billing to quarterly. Duplicate this for the last time, name it annually, change billing annual. Once that's done, I'll add another typo heading, name it annual stats, and paste the same database, but this time hide this data and name it all subscriptions and change the layout to chart. We'll go with the donut chart. Water will show the name. Each slice will represent yearly cost values, and this is already set to yearly cost high to low. We'll go with the more style options. Keep this medium, show the value in the center, hide the legend, and change data labels in name. We'll move this beside the subscription. Also move this chart and align this. Also, and we can move the database down. So we have the main page. Then we'll go back to the database for one last change. Rename this to new page. Set this to default and edit this page. Customize the layout and the heading. We'll pin a few properties like billing, next mural, cost, and pay. Leave all the other properties the same way and apply this change to all the pages. On the main page, I'll align this a little bit more and we'll go to the cost property, calculate this sum option. Likewise, we'll go to the yearly cost property, more options, sum, and that's it. We have all the details here and we have this ready as well. So here you have the subscription tracker. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe, and follow our channel and press the bell icon to catch up on all our upcoming videos.